You are watching part 3 of the full series of interview questions on Grafana, Analytics and Monitoring tool. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. Explain the concept of annotations in Grafana. How are they useful in monitoring? What is the purpose of the Grafana Worldmap panel and how can it be utilized? How can you integrate Grafana with different data sources and what are some common data sources used? Explain the role of variables in Grafana dashboards. What is the purpose of the Singlestat panel in Grafana and how is it different from other panels? First question, explain the concept of annotations in Grafana. How are they useful in monitoring?
Annotations in Grafana are used to mark specific points in time on a graph. They are useful for adding context to the data, allowing users to correlate events or changes with the metrics displayed. Second question, what is the purpose of the Grafana Worldmap panel and how can it be utilized? The Grafana Worldmap panel is used to visualize and interact with geographical data. It allows users to display metrics on a world map, making it effective for monitoring distributed systems. Third question, how can you integrate Grafana with different data sources, and what are some common data sources used? Grafana supports various data sources like Prometheus, InfluxDB, Elasticsearch, MySQL, etc. Integration involves configuring these sources in Grafana settings to pull data for visualization. Next question, explain the role of variables in Grafana dashboards. Variables in Grafana allow users to create dynamic and interactive dashboards. They act as placeholders that can be replaced with different values, enabling users to switch between data sources or metrics. Next question, what is the purpose of the Singlestat panel in Grafana, and how is it different from other panels? The Singlestat panel is used to display a single aggregated value. It is different from other panels as it focuses on representing a single metric or value rather than a time series. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here's the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.